Are you filming me now? Blizzard Watch 2015 continues. Let's walk into it.
Okay.
Blizzard Watch 2015 continues. We're here at Harvard Business School, and we have a light dusting. Snow is falling. Thank you, Kate. We're back at Harvard 2015 Blizzard Weather Watch. Right now, as you can see, snow is falling. It's gloomy. Scared Harvard Social Enterprise Conference students are actively waiting for their Ubers. As you can see, Kate, can we get a close-up here? We've got a heavy dusting of snow precipitating. Footprints are evident. Blizzard Watch 2015 is well underway. Back to you, Kate. Thank you, Kate! As you can see, snow's getting a little bit rougher. The level of frost is increasing on my scarf and face. Woo! I'm getting freak dusting. There's lots of slush. Slush is everywhere. These are my footprints in the slush. 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 It's getting wet in my feet area. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Behind me we have the beautiful river. Charles River, I've been told. Blizzard Watch 2015 continues. We are being snowed upon. It is chilly. Weather conditions, road conditions are slushy. We are wet. There's lots of accumulation and white snow, as you can see. Conditions of the snow is somewhat heavy, fluffy, if you will. I'm Andreas Vailakis. This is Blizzard Watch 2015. What is going on here? This is bullshit. I'm wet. That's right, Kate. That is a cute dog. This is Andreas reporting from historic Holland Square. This is Blizzard Watch 2015. As you can see here, we have an emergency alarm in case the blizzard gets too out of control. We're ready. We're prepared here. Temperatures are getting below normal. Freezing. My eyebrows, I think, are frozen. My scarf is out of control. But, as we can see, a snowflake. Back to you, Kate.